This gorgeous, custom-built modern farmhouse is located just 5 minutes outside of Sweet Home, Oregon. It's situated on 1.77 acres with a large shop, entertaining decks, and plenty of room for your outdoor pursuits. The covered front porch welcomes you home. Discover an open concept, vaulted great room with a dramatic fireplace and beautiful built-ins. It effortlessly flows into the chef-inspired kitchen, beautifully designed with a large island, modern fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage space. The spacious master bedroom suite is filled with natural light and has direct access to your private covered deck. Unwind in the spa-like bath with a double-headed shower, separate tub, and gorgeous finishes. Custom built in 2020, this home has everything you would expect in a modern build. And with more than 2,300 square feet, there's plenty of space, with 3 large bedrooms and 2 baths, plus an additional office space. Entertain or just relax on the large entertainer's deck while surrounded by nature. Top it off with a 36 by 33 foot shop with room for all of your toys. Perfect for your hobbies, boats, or RV. Modern design in an expansive, convenient location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Eric Stutzman with Premier Property Group.